Hey, what it do? What it do? What it do? YT was good. I'm back with another one. No mask, no gloves, gang. You feel me? What's good though? I'm back. You feel me? I'm back with another one. Feel me? What's up? What's good, bots? What's good, agents? How y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? I fucks with y'all agents. Psych. Fuck y'all niggas. But yeah, I'm back. Feel me? I'm back with another one. This one's just a little short one. You know what I'm saying? Just a little message to the chosen ones and shit, like, you know what I'm saying? For the chosen ones, stay strong at this time. You know what I'm saying? A lot of BS happening, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? My past few videos have been about the same shit, and I don't even want to give energy to that shit or that title or that name. I don't want to give energy to some made up shit, and that's the thing. You sheep ass people giving energy to some shit that's not real. It's time to y'all niggas to wake the fuck up. But I'm gonna get to y'all later. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna address the sheep later. You feel me? You know what I'm saying, y'all? I'm gonna address y'all a little later in the video. Shout out to the bots, the Asians. Shout out to y'all. Y'all ugly as hell, boy. But yeah, this for the chosen one right now. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the chosen ones. You made it this far. It's 2020. You made it. You know what I'm saying? You made the cut. You feel me? And yeah, man, I know it's a difficult time, especially if you're around robots, you're around agents. You got agent family members, agent friends. They panicking, they wearing masks, they wearing gloves and shit, bro. Like, I feel you, bro. I feel you, but you've been chosen at this time. You a chosen one. You gotta understand that. Like, you're a strong spirit. You're a strong individual. You're different. You're chosen, bro. There's a reason why you at that level or where you at now in this point in your life. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful time. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful time. You know what I'm saying? It's some hidden gems. There's some hidden gems in this. There's some hidden good shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you on that low frequency, you're not gonna understand. You're gonna understand some hidden shit, bro. But yeah, shout out to the woke ones. You feel me? Shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the woke ones. Shout out to the people that's waking up right now. You know what I'm saying? The only reason all this shit is going on, bro, is like they can't stop the shift. There's a shift happening, bro. They're trying really hard they're gonna try for the next 2 years to stop this shift. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people's waking up. They're trying to stop this shift. Ain't no stopping it, but they trying really hard. You know what I'm saying? I got this positive thing, this vision that, you know, it's hope. It's some hope. You gotta have that hope. You know what I'm saying? But can't lean on that hope energy. But you know what I'm saying? When you see it from a certain perspective, bro, you really start to see the bigger picture and the totality of it. Honestly, the totality of the BS and all of it. You know what I'm saying? Right now, you gotta tap into your spirits. You know what I'm saying? Develop that spiritual body. You know what I'm saying? Develop that spiritual strength. Build it up. Really build your spiritual strength. Because at this point, you know what I'm saying, is all you got at this point. Your spirit. You ain't this physical body. You ain't this physical flesh. None of this is real. It's not real. It's not reality. But yeah, my shit keep cutting off. You know what I'm saying? The agents keep fucking with my technology, their technology. But it's a great time to gain some knowledge and wisdom, learn more about yourself. You know what I'm saying? Gain some insight, gain some information. If you've been in the house for too long, go get outside, get some fresh air. This fake ass quarantine shit. You've been inside, get outside, take a walk. You know what I'm saying? Get some fresh air, bro. You're gonna go crazy. And staying inside. Like, what the fuck? That's not normal. It's not natural, bro. wasn't built to be confined, bro. Like, this shit is stupid, bro. But yeah, man. Shout out to y'all though. Shout out to y'all for real, for sure. This from the heart. You know what I'm saying? This some real shit. You know what I'm saying? But we some strong individuals. We some strong individuals. That's all I gotta say. And also to you sheep, y'all gotta understand, bro. Y'all fucking sheep gotta stop feeding the media. Stop feeding them. Stop. Just stop. Stop watching the news. Stop looking at these fake ass headlines that don't make sense. This doesn't make sense. Use your brain. Put two and two together. It's an airborne virus, right? Airborne. If it was airborne, wouldn't we all be dead? Like y'all gotta think. To y'all sheep. Do y'all use y'all brain? Do y'all question? Do y'all question reality? Like what? Do y'all question what they tell you? Do you question the information? It's like y'all just take what they give you. Is like bro, really start questioning shit. Y'all sheep. Really start questioning shit, sheep. You feel me? Also, another thing, there's no one side to the story. There's no China versus US. There's no country versus country. Just to let you know, Trump will win. Trump will be the president again. This is a joke. It is set up. It is planned. Look into the numbers. It's set up by the numbers. They use code. You know what I'm saying? They all in this together. And they basically this is not a money thing. This is not a money thing, bro. There are some beings on this shit, bro. There are some evil motherfucking beings on this shit. This is a warfare. There's a real war going on. It's an unseen war. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? They feeding off y'all vibrations. They feeding off y'all reactions. They feeding off y'all low frequencies. They giving you low frequency shit, low vibrational shit. They setting you up. Everything is backwards, bro. They setting you up. They're setting you up for failure, bro. They're distracting you. Like everything is backwards, bro. Question shit. Question the shit you look at. Question why things are structured the way they are. Question why you do things. Just start to question. Just start to question shit. You'll see. You'll start to see it. Even from a small perspective, you'll begin to see it, bro. Start questioning. Just start questioning. Just question the shit that they do. Question the programs. Question the systems. Question the little shit, bro. The little shit that you don't think is right. That you see a problem and question that shit. Really ask yourself those questions and find those answers and like dig deeper for those answers, bro. This real shit. Start digging. You know what I'm saying? Once you get those answers, you gonna want to get deeper into this shit, bro. Like that's where it really starts off, bro. Just questioning the bullshit and the dumb shit, bro. Like question the ridiculous shit you see, bro. Like the ridiculous shit that goes on. Just start questioning shit, man. Real shit. This for the sheep. Though. You know what I'm saying? It's time to wake up. You know what I'm saying? It's not that hard to see what they doing. It's not that hard. It's not. The shit that they feeding y'all don't even make sense. It doesn't even make sense. It don't. The information you receiving doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. They're only showing you what they want to show you. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole big act. It's a whole big show. It's a whole big sitcom. It's a joke. It's a whole joke. And I'm sitting back and I'm laughing and I'm watching this shit. Shout out to the agents. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to the bots. You feel me? You know, they out here sending bots. But this shit it's a joke. It's a joke. And y'all it's time to wake up, bro. Cause if y'all get left behind, it's gonna be tough. Y'all gonna have a tough. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough for y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be tough for the sheep. You know what I'm saying? Y'all think this shit gonna be over? I think this shit gonna be over. What? You think this shit gonna end? This going for like 2 years just to let y'all sheep know. Like they got y'all, bro. They got y'all minds. It's really sad, bro. It's really sad. But yeah, man, shout out to the chosen ones. I fucks with y'all. I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thing. Keep building your spirit. Stay strong. You know what I'm saying? If you got a lot of, you know what I'm saying, bots, agents around you and shit like that, keep going. Keep doing your thing. Persevere, bro. You good, man. Until next time, man. I'm gonna fuck with y'all on the next one, bro. Peace, bro.